Hello everybody. Hello everybody. We are talking about Boeing stock. Um, Boeing stock was very is falling down very fast. This couple of months, he goes down from its high point, which was in March 40, 440. Now, as we said, as I said before, it is very negative chart for Boeing stock, which makes it goes to 170 now these days, and unfortunately, it's still having negative chart and a negative move, which makes it goes to 100 to about 100 about the region about 100 108. This is for short term, and for long term it's still having a negative move. May it makes it falling down still to 660, and its bottom will be 32. So the point of view and the chart says that Boeing will still moving down, and it will rest here in that point 120, not 28, 100 8 128 and 108. This is for short term, it will rest here, but it's not for so a long time, because it's, or sorry, not for forever. It will rest here. No, it will continue. It will move horizontally in this region, which is makes it after this horizontal move going down, but it's for long term. So we can say that Boeing is still continue moving down, and for people who want to know its move for short and long term and medium term. This is for short term 120, 28, 20, whatever. For medium term, it will move horizontally ups and downs for the region between 145 and 125 or 20. And for long term, it's still the view is negative. It can go for 60 and for 30. This is its bottom. It can go for it, but it's not a must, or it's not that what will happen. But uh, we can then talk about it. What will happen? What maybe things, or maybe it's change. The chart change, but for now, this is he must goes to down for this level 125, 120, and maybe 100, because of coronas and the problem in global stock markets, and for its move. Thank you everybody. See you. Bye.